Hi everyone, I brought you a very special fish recipe that is so delicious, so stress-free, came out perfect yummy, goes well with rice, with bread, with anything you can combine it with. Lovelies, do you love what you're seeing? Let me show you how I prepared it. I'll be using these two fishes you can see on the table. I'm using red tilapia fish. You can use red snapper, you can use any kind of fish for this very recipe. I'll quickly clean the fish and make it to be very clean and prepare it before adding other ingredients. Let me use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all my returning subscribers. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you for sharing my video, for your comments, for watching them. Thank you for enjoying my recipes. Newcomers, you're also welcome. Remember to subscribe and join us. Please remember to check the body of your fish. They have to be scales free. Okay, so after they are well cleaned, I'm now going to cut it to my desired sizes. I don't want it to be too big and I don't want it to be too small at the same time. I love the size. Look at it. That is how I want them. So it's now to remove any guts. I transfer them into water after washing it. I added some salt into the water and a slice of lemon to remove the odor of fish. In a pot, I'm going to be pouring vegetable oil. I will leave the exact measurements of everything I used in the description box or in the comment section. I heat it up and added some diced onion and I added pressed garlic into it, fresh one. Okay, I mixed it together, fried for about a minute together with the onions, and I'm going to add this tomato puree. This is what I use. Feel free to use freshly blended tomatoes and onions, all right, but I'm using this one. It makes it a lot easier. I want it very easy. Okay, so I added the puree tomatoes into it and I'm going to add habanero pepper. I want it to be spicy. Feel free to use chili. Okay, into this I'm going to add thyme and I will add a little bit of curry. I added seasoning and I'm just going to add some salt into it now. After that, I gave them a good mix together. You can add oregano if you feel like, or any other seasoning you're used to, but those are the seasoning I used. Give it a good mix and boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, those ingredients are all now well combined, well cooked, and I set it aside for later use. In another bowl here, I'm going to add dill into this, and into the dill I'm going to add black pepper. Okay, and I also have this mixture of seasoning. It's just like adobo. If you have adobo, you can use it. I gave them a good mix together. It's now time to remove the lemon and drain the water out of the fish, and I'm going to coat them with this dried ingredient I've just mixed together. This is how I'm going to take my time to do it. Doesn't take time, just rub it all over, okay, and place it in a tray. This is a tray I'll be using. I'm using this glass tray. You can use normal baking tray. Okay, I placed them well. This is how they are ready. I'm now going to pour the sauce on top of it. I'm going to make sure that I covered every part of each fish with the super sauce we prepared at the beginning, and I garnished it with diced onions, with diced bell pepper. Then I placed it in oven 220 centigrade for 25 to 30 minutes. While that is in the oven, I have 1.5 cup of Basmati rice with 2 cups of water. After washing it, I added salt and brought it to a boil. So lovelies, after 10 minutes you can see the water is almost dried out, so I turned out the heat. I covered it to continue steaming. I brought out the sauce. This is ready, lovelies. After 25 minutes it is super ready, and look at what I have. The rice is also ready, so I served it. Lovelies, this combo is a must try for everyone. It is not every time we need to cook normal fish the way we cook them. Give this new a try and I bet it you're going to love it. Don't forget to share. Please leave a comment. Let me know if you will be trying this out. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. See you next time. Let me go and enjoy this. Bye bye.